Alright, we're going to be doing a repair on Maroon Nasir's house right here. So here's the damaged shingle. So we're going to unseal these shingles around it. Alright, we're going to start by taking the nails off. Let me unseal these two. Alright, get down more over here. I'm only lifting the shingles up enough to get the nail out. As you can see. Alright. Replace that shingle with this one. Alright, so from here. I'll now be securing the shingles. Now, when I lift the shingle up, I have to lift it up this much to be able to get the nail into the nailing zone, the correct nailing zone. Not only that, I have to clear the hammerhead and have the nail head flush with the decking. So at minimum, I have to lift it this much, and I actually have to lift it a little bit more so I don't hit the shingle. Carefully nail it, put it back in place. Set these up in the right spot. Again, in the nailing zone, lift the shingle up just enough to clear the hammerhead, have the nail head flush with the decking. Okay, that one. Then doing it here as well. Same thing, lift it up just for the hammerhead to clear, not damage the shingle. Okay, last one right here. Then we'll be moving up to the next row. Same thing. For this top row, we're going to be putting the nails into the previous nail holes to prevent any leaking. So right here, lift it just up enough to get in there. And it's in the previous nail hole, so I have to put it in there. It goes right in. Same thing here, previous nail hole, and it goes right in. Now here will be my last nail, my last two nails, right here, same thing. It goes right in. Same thing here, it's in the previous nail hole, nail head flush with the decking, and it goes right in. All right, now I'm gonna do a control wipe to mimic weathering. So right here, as you can see, nothing moves off these shingles. Now, I'm gonna move over here into the shingles that we just did to mimic weathering, and all those granulars are coming off. Now, once you come over here, you're gonna see we're missing all these granulars here, causing the shingle to lose its water shedding capability. That being said, we have 1, 2, 3 shingles. 3 shingles that are being damaged when changing out one shingle. This is a fail. All right. Stop.